In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can watch TikTok videos while you're offline. Watching TikTok videos offline provides convenient, uninterrupted entertainment, learning, and inspiration without relying on an internet connection. To do this, simply head into your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, you will have to scroll down into the section of cache and cellular. Select on this option of offline videos. For as low as 27 megabytes, you can download 50 videos that you can watch offline on TikTok. You can choose any package of videos you wish to watch while you're offline. These downloaded videos will get selected randomly based on what the TikTok algorithm selected as your mostly watched on TikTok. That's how easy it is to watch TikTok videos when offline. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.